Hello, wonderful English learners, and welcome to Massey's World. My name is Massey, and we are here to learn a fun, easy English together. So let's get started. How many siblings do you have? How old are your parents? Do you have a little brother or sister who make you go crazy? Today, we're going to talk about family. Siblings. Siblings. Repeat after me. Siblings. Siblings. Siblings means brothers or sisters. How many siblings do you have? Alex has 2 siblings. He has 2 brothers, Andy and Andrew. Alex is the middle child. The middle child. Daisy is an only child. Only child. It means she doesn't have any sisters or brothers. She's an only child. Her father is James and her mother is Emma. My daddy is 50 and my mommy is 44. What's up, everyone? Well, I have 3 sisters. They make me go crazy, dude. Sister number 1, Isabella. Sister number 2, Sophia. And sister number 3, Valentina. I am the last child. Are you the firstborn, the first child, the oldest, or the middle child, or the last child, the lastborn? To make someone go crazy means to do little silly things like talking too much, asking many questions, making a lot of noise to make the other person just a bit angry. Not a lot, just a bit. Reagan has 1 little brother. His name is Leo, but be careful. Reagan loves him a lot. You mess with Leo, you mess with me. To mess with someone means to joke with them or try to start a fight with them. Just repeat these sentences after me. Max's sisters make him go crazy. Very good. Do not mess with Leo, or Reagan will kill you. What is your birth order in your family, Max? I'm the last child. I have 3 older sisters. They make me go crazy, man. Are you the oldest child? No, I'm the middle child. I have 2 brothers. They also make me go crazy. How about you, Daisy? I'm an only child. I have no siblings, no brothers or sisters. You're a lucky girl. But my friends make me go crazy. Listen to their conversation one more time and repeat each sentence out loud. What is your birth order in your family, Max? I'm the last child. I have 3 older sisters. They make me go crazy, man. Are you the oldest child? No, I'm the middle child. I have 2 brothers. They also make me go crazy. How about you, Daisy? I'm an only child. I have no siblings, no brothers or sisters. You're a lucky girl. But my friends make me go crazy. What is your birth order in your family? Birth order. It means, are you the first child, the oldest? Are you the second child, the middle child? Or you're the last child? Or maybe you're an only child. Which one? James is a parent. Emma is a parent too. But together they are parents. They are Daisy's parents. Try answering these questions, but not just in your mind, but out loud. I will give you 5 seconds for each of them. Ready? Number 1, how many siblings do you have? It means how many brothers and sisters do you have? Very good. Number 2, how old are your parents? What is your birth order in your family? Are you an only child? Who makes you go crazy in your life? Type your sentences in the comments for me and I will correct them for you. And just keep repeating the sentences you learned today. Stay awesome and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.